Alright, ladies and gents, we're back in maths. I'm using my laptop to record this. My phone ran out of space whilst I'm downloading these lessons to YouTube. I can see the quality is not as good, but what I'd like you to tell me is it really bad? Like, is it so bad that you can't really see me, you can't read? Just let me know. Give me a little bit of feedback. Or is it kind of home-based, but we can't do it? I just need to know for next time, okay? So what we're going to do today, just move you a little bit further away, okay? Maybe a little bit down, and up. Okay, so we're doing a revision today. We're doing Pythagoras revision. We're in page 188 and 189. My aim is to do 2 examples with you, maybe even just one, we'll see. So these questions can be a little bit more difficult. They include a few other elements, but nothing is new. Well, there's one little thing new which I'll discuss. Okay, so we're given a rectangle, told that this is a rectangle. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Okay, and E in the middle. And we're told one side is 80, one side 84, and we are asked to find AE. Now, if I look at AE, okay, that's a side in the triangle. Which triangle? It's, for example, an AEB. Okay, that's a triangle, or maybe it's an AEB. But these triangles are not 90 degrees. So Pythagoras only works with 90 degrees, so I can't use those triangles. Well, what triangle can I use? For example, ABC. Why can I use that? Because I know that angle B is 90 degrees. That's a rectangle. Okay? So I can look at ABC. Now, AE is not a side, but it's half the side, right? AE is half of AC. It's half. The diagonals in the rectangle bisect each other, okay? So I can find, I know that this is 80, but, well, I don't know what BC is. Well, I do know, because AD is 84. So I know that this is 84 as well, opposite sides in a rectangle, okay? So I know that 80 squared plus 84 squared should be equal to the square of the hypotenuse, which is AC squared. So now I'll just use a calculator, and I'll write 80 squared plus 84 squared. Put it all straight away in your calculator, and I got 13,456. So AC squared is 13,456. Okay, and now I'm just going to find out what this AC is. Yes, I want to find out what AC is. So I'm going to put AC equals square root of 13,456. We'll do that. Okay, and I got 116. Okay, 116. So AC equals 116. Okay, are we all right with that? Okay. Now, is this the answer? No, because they're looking for AE, not for AC. But we know that AE is half of AC. So we're going to say, okay, therefore AE is equal to 116 divided by 2, which is 58. 58 is the correct answer. Okay? Great. So, unfortunately, there's one more thing that I want to show you, and I thought it would come up in this example, but it looks like it doesn't. So I'm just going to make up an example, okay, or half an example. Okay, so please copy that. Pause and copy that. Fantastic. And, right, let's say we have a question. We go to a very, very basic question. Let's say the side here is 2 and the side here is 3. And we want to find out what's the side here. Okay, so we'll call that we'll call that x. We want to find x. So, and we need to know that this is 90 degrees. Okay, so I know that x squared equals 2 squared plus 3 squared, meaning x squared is 4 plus 9. That means that x squared is equal to 13. But now we're having a little bit of a problem, because if I want to square root 13, I'm not going to get a whole number, isn't it? And if I put square root of 13, all I get is a nasty, ugly, irrational number. Okay? Okay? So now there's 2 options. If they want you, they'll tell you, if I tell you, write down the answer in your 2 decimal places, you'll write it down. You write 3,61, rounding up the second one, because after that it was a 5. So 3,61, 2 decimal places. But some places, they'll ask you to write the answer in third form. Third. What is third? What is third? Okay? When you've got a number under a square root and you don't get an integer number, that's called a third. So if I ask you to write it in third form, you just write square root of 13. You leave it like that. Leave it like that. Easy. Okay? If I ask you 2 decimal places, you write 2 decimal places. If I ask you to write in third form, funny word, third, leave a square root of 13. Okay, guys? Good luck. Carry on.